The in-home fitness solution is here with the SF-RW5515 magnetic rowing machine. The efficient footprint design does not require a lot of space, making this a perfect machine for any home. Magnetic resistance can make a workout fun and satisfying. Vary your workouts with the 8 levels of resistance. Rowing machines use over 80% of the body's skeletal muscle. Virtually no impact is placed on the body, reducing the amount of stress on the joints. The digital monitor calculates your workout gains and losses. The fully padded seat and non-slip grip handlebar provides optimal comfort, support, and performance for those long-duration workouts. Large anti-slip pivoting foot pedals allow for increased range of motion for more efficient strokes. The slide rail is smooth and quiet, and the length can accommodate many heights. Storage is simple with the foldable design and integrated transportation wheels. Once you start, you won't stop with the SF-RW5515 magnetic rowing machine.
Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to Impacts. This is the Marcy Rower. In this day and age, everybody wants to jump on a rower. Why? Because it's designed perfectly for an anaerobic workout and an aerobic workout, which means that it's just like doing muscle building cardio. It's a high intense interval type training and it's great. So let's jump on this thing, you can see what I'm talking about. To get ready to row, we just need to place our feet in the foot panel, Velcro it in, adjust the tension control where we need it. Up here we have the computer panel. This is going to control our time, calories burned, and row count and much more. Grab the soft padded handle and let's begin to row. Now that we're done with our rowing workout, let's put this thing away, huh? Just simply hold the pin, push it up, pick up the end, and wheel her out.
Row, sweat, and stay strong with the SF-RW1205 rowing machine. Prepare for an excellent full-body workout. Lower and middle back leading to better toning, strength, balance, and posture. The sliding rower incline provides for an excellent cardiovascular workout and improves joint mobility to your knees, hips, shoulders, and elbows. Set goals on your easy-to-read digital monitor. Anti-slip foot plates come with adjustable straps for secure footing. The hydraulic cylinder provides 12 resistance levels. Stay challenged for both your lower and upper body. Ergonomically padded seat and cushioned non-slip grip handlebars offer plenty of comfort and support. Achieve your fitness goals today with the Sunny Health and Fitness SF-RW1205.